Welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today you join me in front of a brand new 2026 Yamaha Boats 222SD. It's a great option for those looking for a luxury boat in the 22-foot size range. This boat, like many Yamaha boats, comes on the trailer. We've upgraded it to the galvanized option in this example. Finished in the yacht blue with the nice red stripe and the water sports tower. It's a really good looking boat out on the water. As we come around back here, you'll see this boat's gonna have the warm interior with that nice sea deck style flooring throughout. Exclusive to the S series of boats, you're gonna have a stereo controller back here as well as rear facing speakers. You're also gonna have a 12-volt port over on your port side to blow up some water toys. Stepping inside, you've got a great lounging area back here on this boat. Storage in both backrests, port and starboard. And plenty of storage throughout under the seats inside the boat. As you step inside, with this being S series, it's going to be a more luxury focused setup in here. You've got nice diamond stitching with this premium cool touch vinyl here in the warm finish. On the S series boats, you're also going to have two captain's chairs, both port and starboard, as well as this wraparound style seating in the back. Both your captain's chairs do swivel slide and recline. Customize your experience. Your passenger's gonna have a wireless phone charger up here, as well as a double glove box with plenty of storage for your items. Over on the drive side, this is gonna be a SD model, meaning it has Yamaha's Drive X system with the paddle shifters here. It allows you to dock with ease with the forward and reverse capabilities. Additionally, it's gonna be an E-Series boat as part of that SD package. It's gonna give you digital throttle and shift as well as push button start and the larger screen here with navigation. Last but not least, here at the helm, you're gonna have a wireless phone charger for your captain, as well as several cup holders throughout. Under your port side console, you've got some great storage for your in-water swim seats, your bow filler cushion, and your table. And here on the starboard side helm, you got access to your fire extinguisher as well as your bow block-off door. Under my feet here is a very large center locker, great for putting your cover in and some other general storage. And up at the bow, the first thing you'll notice when you step up aboard one of these 222s is a very deep, comfortable place to sit up here. All of these cushions are very comfortable and soft. You've got storage underneath, as well as some cup holders, both port and starboard for your forward passengers. One of my favorite features on the 22-foot Yamaha series is this integrated bow ladder and anchor compartment with a nice step up here. You've also got an additional step under these seats here for those wanting some more flexibility. This 2026 Yamaha 222SD is in stock and available now here at MarineMax Lake Norman. If you like what you saw, give us a call, check us out at marinemax.com or stop by for more. Thanks for watching.